Where to watch or how to watch Naruto Shippuden in English in India. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can watch Naruto Shippuden in English dubbed or English subbed in India. Well, there are various official websites where Naruto Shippuden is available on. Now the first thing is Netflix. Naruto Shippuden is available in dual languages as well as subbed and dubbed on Netflix. You can simply head over to your Netflix account, or you can, if you don't have one, you can download Netflix and then subscribe for the account, and there you'll be able to stream Naruto Shippuden in English dubbed or subbed, and many other animes are available on here as well. Similarly, the other platform that you can stream Naruto Shippuden on in India is the Crunchyroll. Now you can either get the application, or you can either head over to website, sign in for free and stream Naruto Shippuden in either English dubbed or subbed as well. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.